Hey guys, I am going to be making some chili tonight. It has gotten cool outside and we are in the mood for some chili. So this is a super fast recipe, super yummy. It comes from the south. And I'm going to go over the ingredients really fast. So what we're going to use, normally if I'm making just a batch for like one night with a few leftovers, I will do 1 pound of pork sausage to 1 pound of ground beef. But tonight I'm going to make a lot more because I want to make some extra to put in my freezer so that when we have more of this cold weather, we get to have lots of chili. Okay, so I'm going to turn on my stove top and start getting this in here. We actually have some access. That's my honey shots. So that's going to be in place of my ground beef. And I've got I'm doing about, I think this is about 2 pound packages of each one of these beefs. So that's about 4 pounds of those. And then I have 4 pounds of pork sausage, which it's breakfast sausage. And so these are actually from a hog that is killed. So we'll put that in there. This is going to be good. So if y'all can see down in there, I'm just going to start chopping it up. I'm going to add another pork in just a second. But I'm just going to go ahead and get these all chopped up so that it can get to cooking. Alright, I have it chopped up pretty good, and so I'm going to cover it because it will cook a whole lot faster if I cover it up. Alright, I'm going to give it a little bit of stir. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt so that my meat will have some good flavor. And I may add some more later, I just don't know. We'll have to wait and see. This is the hardest part, is just getting it cooked down. So we'll just keep putting the lid back on it, come back and stir it every little bit until it's ready. Alright, if you guys don't have one of these little gadgets yet, they are a must. Oh my goodness, they make it so easy to chop up the meat, your hamburger meat. It is just perfect for it. And I just got this one at Walmart. It's a Farberware. We are almost there. Okay, so if you guys have a whole lot of grease in there, you're going to want to pour some of that off. I have some, so in just a little bit, I'll come back and I'll show you how to pour that up. Okay, I am going to pour some of, or get some of this grease off of here. I'm going to turn my fire off for just a second. And what I'll end up doing is just using a little scoop like this and just get that grease out of there. I don't want all of it out, but I want a lot of it out. I'll be back. Y'all, look how much I got out of there. That was crazy. I was not expecting to get that much out of there. But I left a tiny bit, but I didn't want that much grease in there. We gotta try to be a little bit healthy, right? If y'all know me, y'all know I like my sweets. Anyway, okay. I'm going to add some pepper now. And I'm going to do about 3, this is my 3/4 teaspoon, so heap into that about a teaspoon of black pepper. Then, y'all ready for this? Williams Original Chili Seasoning. With 2 pounds of meat, I will go with 1 package of this, but since I've got about 4 pounds of meat in here, I'm going to need 2 packages of these. And I'll just throw them in here. Stir that up a little bit. Let's see. Let's go with the Rotel tomatoes and green chilies. I am putting 2 cans. Normally I would do 1 can. But since I'm doing a double batch, we have 2. And these are both Rotel and green chilies. I just had 2 different brands. Stir that up in there. It smells delicious. Okay. V8 Original. Normally, I would do 1 can, but tonight I'm doing 2. And I keep looking at the wrong spot, like, this is so weird, not knowing where the camera is. And I just shake these a little bit to make sure all the good stuff gets in there. These have so many different vegetables. What all do these have in there? Tomatoes and carrots. Let's see here. I can read. My old lady eyes. Ingredients. Tomatoes, carrots, celery, beets, parsley, lettuce, watercress, spinach. And then it has some salt in it. That's why I'm not going to salt anymore until I get this all cleaned up. It gets to cooking a little bit. And then we'll see. And it depends on how thick this is. I may have to put a 3rd can in there. Or, depending on the taste, I may end up putting some crushed tomatoes in there. It even sounds good when you're stirring it. Alright, let me give me a spoon. I'm going to taste and see how we're doing. Well, it does need a little bit more salt. It is plenty spicy for us. We like it spicy, but man, we don't go for it being super duper spicy. I'm going to add a little more salt. And this is just to taste. You do not have to put extra. I don't think this is weird, but little tiny bit of sugar. I think I do need one more can of V8. I like a little more juice in that. Let me get one more can. I may not use all of it. Let's start with half and see how that does. Oh yeah, I think just a half can did it. Now, if you like yours more soupy than that, then you go right ahead and put more in there. But I think this is perfect for us. It's got some juice in it. And then as it sits in the refrigerator, it'll dry out a little bit and you can always add more V8 at that time. Now let's try another taste and see. Yep, that's it. Alrighty, I'm just gonna put the lid on it and let it simmer for just a little bit, and then you got chili. Y'all go make some. Bye.